Okay guys, this is what we're going to do for this teleprompter assignment. I'm going to start you right here in the assignment itself. You're going to open it up and the instructions are here. Oops, saw a typo. You can take that out. And we go one back one up into here under news production, teleprompter practice, and you see this teleprompter link. Click on that. It's going to take you here. I always recommend bouncing out of Schoology and getting here just to your browser. So you'll see it's relatively simple. Now I've deleted the initial instructions so that I can paste in my script, which I already copied. Okay, the script I'm copying is the one that's embedded in your assignment right here. So actually is a short little news story on exactly what you're doing. It's on you doing the thing you're doing. So all you're going to need to do is read through this and screen record using good old QuickTime. All right. Very, very simple software. It's a website here. Save this link. You can use it outside of class too. You choose your font size, okay, and you choose the speed it's going to go. There is another mode. I recommend you stick with the manual speed. Running through all these controls real quickly. They're very simple, okay. Obviously, if you click this, you're toggling between voice activated mode and another one. I guess that's not obvious, but this is where you want to be. Sorry, no, that's Richard plain text. This is center text, left justified, whichever one you want. You may pick. If you've got a longer script and you're at the beginning, just click up here and it'll take you back to the beginning. These buttons you won't need for now. This is for later if you want to use this and you've got to mirror it because it's being reflected off a piece of glass. This one does the same thing, vertically, horizontally, all of that. So you probably want it just to be normal for this assignment, okay? This one will allow you to open a file. This one allows you to save this script, all right? This switches you to voice activated, and this gets you to some more instruction if you want to learn how to use this better. So, and then lastly, this is play. You click play, you start reading, and it scrolls down at the rate you've set. If you get it wrong, go ahead and stop. Okay, start over, try again, record again. That's how you fix that typo. So that's how you use the simple teleprompter software. Use as many times as you want. Get comfortable with it, because in the spring, later in the spring, we'll be getting our teleprompter set up in the studio, and that will be a big part of the way we do our newscasts.